Here's what you got to do if you're doing brake pads, rear brake pads on one of these. I think this is a 2017 Accord. So you're gonna need a scanner. You're gonna have to get in the system. Let me prop it up. You're gonna need a scanner that can read the ABS control module or the brake control module. I don't know what they're calling it in here just yet. But you're gonna have to be able to read it, get into it. Yeah, 2017 Civic. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a 4-door Civic. I'm gonna say okay. We're gonna go to the ABS system, anti-lock brake system. We're gonna go to functional test. Hit continue. We're gonna go, let's try adjustment first. Brake pad maintenance mode. This function is used in rear brake pad maintenance. Please refer to the service manual for work procedures. Release the parking brake. Okay, start the vehicle. Make sure it's greater than 10 volts. The battery is at 12 volts. Kind of low, but it's good enough. We're gonna hit continue. Then we're gonna hit go to brake pad maintenance mode, and I'm gonna try to run back here to the rear caliper, see if we can hear it. Hit okay. Didn't hear nothing. Maybe something else to do. Let's see. Oh, okay. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Still didn't hear nothing. Okay. I guess I didn't hit yes. Moving too quick. Let's try it again. There we go. So that's retracting in. It just retracted in the motor that keeps pressure on the piston, or I don't know if I'm explaining that right. Now I should be able to pry the piston back in so I can put new pads on. All I'm doing here is a pad swap for the customer. That's all he did. He bought brake pads. And these are Duralast, got to be AutoZone. Part number DG1878. I'm pretty sure everyone here knows how to do brake pads by now, I would think. But this is the way I get my piston back in. I don't use the C-clamp. I just go in there with the screwdriver, pry it back, get the piston back in, and then I guess since we got you here, I might as well set this phone up and keep filming. Let me pause this right quick. Okay, so to get this caliper off is going to require a 7mm Allen bit, X bit, whatever you want to call it. Oh, sorry about that. I ain't got a lot of space here. Didn't mean to bump you guys. I usually like to get it broke free, then I put it on the ratchet. The cordless ratchet. Get that out. Get that out. We'll pull the caliper off. Just tuck it right there out the way. Now let's get some brake pads out so we can see what we're working with. I don't know what these long pieces are for, as they don't have any on it. So this is what came with it. We have two inners, and they already have a spring on them. I don't know why it came with extra springs. And then here's the two outers. So basically we're gonna put an outer, right? And then we're gonna put, well, I like to match the inner up. So we got the noise maker on the left side right here. So we're gonna grab the one with the noise maker on the left side. And we'll put that in place. And I'm not sure what these are for. Let me pause you guys and do a little research, and I'll be right back. It looked like I see some holes in the caliper right here that actually look like they'll go into there. Let me pause you and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I called the customer, asked him, has anyone been in there? He was like, yeah, somebody tried to change it, but they couldn't get the piston to go back in. So they just stopped what they was doing. So I pulled the other tire off, and sure enough, this is how it goes on. So let's get back to the other side where we were at. Let's look at that one more time. Okay. Get you guys set back up in the phone holder here. Okay. So we're gonna pop these out. Get some grease on them. I'm using Ultra Parts brake parts lubricant. Never do a brake job without re-greasing the pins. Don't want to get it on the threads. Let's get some on the other side. Pop it in from this side. Oh, let me go back to the other side. Okay. The caliper. Put up here. Get the slide pins started. It's easier to do with the socket. We'll get this little lock doohickey clip here. Let's see if we can get you guys in a different angle. Get a good view of this. I'm gonna try to do this without bumping the phone so it don't get all shaky on you. But we're gonna get it locked in here, hooked under here, and we'll get the other side locked in and hooked under. I would think it needs to go in deeper than that. Let's give it a tap, see what happens. Let's use the old brake pad. Okay, yeah, so tap it in. Guess that's all she wrote. And we'll get the ratchet. Tighten these bad boys up. And I'll get it back on the regular ratchet and get it torqued down until it clicks. Click. Let's get the other one torqued down. Click. That's all she wrote. I shouldn't have to show you how to put a tire back on. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause it. I'm going to do the other side, and then we'll get back in there inside to the scanner, and I can show you guys how to put it back in the regular mode, which should be pretty simple. So I'll be right back. So we got the other side done. And look, that didn't take long at all, did it, y'all? I was gone for what? A second. We got this side done. And I don't want to forget to put these caps back in. And keep dust and moisture out of the hole there. So now we're gonna go back to the scanner. We're gonna hit, let me turn the light off. We're gonna hit continue. It says turn ignition switch off. Now I'm gonna turn it back on. So we're gonna go back to brake pad maintenance mode. All right, come on now. Okay, we're gonna hit continue. Now we're gonna go back to normal mode. It's gonna do wish to continue. I'm gonna try to run back here to the back again. That's it. That's all she wrote. We can get the tire put back down. I always like to depress the brake pedal myself before the customer get in it, and I just do it with real small short strokes until the brake pedal gets hard. And there we go. Back to normal. Hit continue. Hit exit. I'm gonna go back, and while I put these tires back on, I'm just gonna do a full system scan for him, just to tell him if he's got anything going on he should know about. As in always, thanks for watching. I know it's just a brake job. If you like it, give a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Leave me a comment, ask the question, tell me how you would have done it. That's it. Like and subscribe, baby.